Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are now in the Module 5 in ICT and Entrepreneurship in TLE 6. So the Module 5 talks about how to create an online survey form. This lesson is based on the Unified Supplementary Learning Materials, also known as SLEM. So here's the expectation at the end of the SLEM. You should be able to 1. Identify websites or applications that offers creation of online survey form. 2. Discuss the steps in creating an online survey form. 3. Follow the steps in creating an online survey. Before we go on to our lesson proper, please answer the pretest. Direction, true or false. Write true if the statement is correct and false if not. So in this part of the video, you may pause while answering, and once you are done, you may go to the next slide. So please pause the video now and start answering the pretest. And here's the next part of the pretest, number 6 to 10. Again, you may now pause the video and start answering the second part. Let us now answer your pretest. Here's the key to correction. Number 1, Google is a multinational technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products. The answer is true. 2, survey introduction is the part where an overview of your survey will be found. The correct answer is true. 3, survey is a study that aims to gather data on a particular issues. The answer is true. 4. Google Form is a survey platform that offers paid online survey hosting. The answer is false. 5. You can personalize a survey to suit your target audience. The answer is true. Number 6. Creating an online survey will cost you more than having a traditional survey. It's false. 7. You can access Google Form by typing form.com.google in your web browser. The answer is false. 8. Survey should only focus on customer feedback. The correct answer is false. Number 9. Survey done online can reach more target customers. The answer is true. 10. It is necessary to plan a draft before creating an online survey. The correct answer is false. Now looking back to your previous lesson, which is the module 4, direction. Answer the following questions below and write your answers in your TLE notebook. Number 1, what is video conferencing? So A is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. B is a visual communication session between 2 or more users regardless of their location, featuring audio and video content transmission in real time. C, an electronic device for storing and processing data, typically in binary form according to instructions given to it in a variable program. And letter D, a mobile phone that performs many of the functions of a computer, typically having a touchscreen interface, internet access, and an operating system capable of running downloaded applications. Please write your answer. And now let's find out what's the correct answer. For this question, the correct answer is B. Video conferencing is a visual communication session between 2 or more users regardless of their location, featuring audio and video content transmission in real time. Now, number 2, the following are devices used for video conferencing except A. Webcam, B. Microphone, C. Two-way radio, D. Streaming equipment or software. Write down your answer. And the correct answer for this question is, it's letter C, two-way radio. So number 3, which of the following is an example of video conferencing application? You may select more than one answer. Letter A, Skype, B, Microsoft Teams, C, Bitmoji, D, Google Meet. So the correct answer here is, so there are 3 answers here: Skype, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. A, B, and D. Bitmoji is an application wherein you can edit photos or you can add filter. So here's a brief introduction to our new lesson. According to the 10 advantages of online surveys of smartsurvey.co.uk, online surveys are a great way to reach and engage with your target audience, and these are as follows. Increase response rate by reaching your target audience fast. So mas mabilis mong makakalap or maipapamigay yung survey questions mo kasi nga it is online. 2, conduct market research at a fraction of the usual cost. So hindi masyadong mahal kasi nga lahat na ngayon is accessible through internet, through the use of the modern technologies. 3, get real-time results for quick and easy analysis. Real-time, meaning to say after sumagot na respondent, pagka-submit niya, automatic na nasa iyo na kagad yung sagot niya. Unlike dun sa traditional survey wherein you have to get the paper from the respondent bago mo pa ma-analyze. And since it's automated, mabilis mong maitatali yung result. Instant yung analysis. Online survey is a study that aims to gather data to get the particular view, belief, or opinion of a group of respondents about specific issue or topic. This survey is conducted through the internet using particular website and costs less than having a traditional paper survey form. So bakit siya mas mura? Kasi sa traditional, in comparison to the traditional survey, hindi ka na magpiprint. Imagine, isasend mo lang yung link nung survey form mo, then voila, the respondents can now give you an answer and feedback with regards to what you are looking for. Here are some online survey tools that you can use for free. So these are the applications na pwede mong gamitin sa paggawa ng iyong survey form. Ano-ano yon? Number 1 is the most popular, which is the Google Forms. You can access this by typing in forms.google.com. So ang kailangan mo lang is the Google account. So kids, just a short trivia, ito yung ginagamit natin kapag sumasagot kayo ng summative test and mga quizzes natin sa ating subject. Kung bumoto kayo last school years, 2019-2020, during the automated SPG election, yan yung gamit natin, Google Forms. Okay, number 2, SurveyMonkey. And you can access this by typing in surveymonkey.com. And number 3, free online surveys. You can access this by typing in freeonlinesurveys.com. So, get ready as we dive into a new level of learning that will help you get more feedbacks from your consumers or audience. So you have this activity. Just follow the steps in creating an online survey using Google Form. Google Form is a free online survey tool offered by Google that allows collecting information from users via a personalized survey or quiz. There are two ways to open Google Forms. Number one, by typing forms.google.com in the address bar. And number two, in the Applications tab of Google Chrome. So you may use your G Suite accounts in accessing the Google Form. So creating an online survey form. Paano nga ba siya gagawin? Number one, ayan, as you can see the images below. Type forms.google.com in the address bar or it is called the Omnibox. Okay? The address bar is called the Omnibox. Or log in your Google account and click the Applications tab. Yan, dun sa right side. Yan, just click the Applications tab, yung waffle icon. It is also known as the waffle icon. Then the next one, locate and select forms. Kung kilik niyo yung waffle icon or applications tab, hanapin niyo lang yung purple na parang forms. Ayan, yan mismo yung forms na yan. Yan yung icon ng Google Forms. And then 3, you will then be directed to the page where you can select either creating a blank form or you can choose the predefined templates Google Forms have. So ayan, may mga template. Kapag blank, from the scratch ka magsisimula. Pero kung gusto mo na may design na, i-edit mo na lang. There are templates that you can select. And the next one. So the tabs in the upper part shows features to change the name of the form. Customize the themes, view, preview, and settings. Then send button is also in the upper part of the form. So ayan na. Dito mo na siya i-edit diyan sa customer feedback. So for this form, ang ginamit ay customer feedback. Okay? The next one. So you can customize on how you would like your target audience will answer the survey. So dito, pwede mo lang piliin kung sino yung gusto mong sumagot ng survey mo. Okay? And lastly, to know more about Google Forms, you can visit and watch How to Use Google Forms Tutorial for Beginners 2019 by Simplicity at, ayan, andito yung link. So, i-search nyo lang yan sa YouTube. May kita nyo yan. At kids, meron din akong ginawang sariling tutorial ng creating an online survey form. You may visit that. Ayan po, ako mismo ang gumawa niyan. At ang instruction dyan ay Tagalog. Okay? So, mas maintindihan nyo kasi Tagalog yan. Okay, so So the next is remember. So do not forget. Ito yung mga dapat yung tandaan. There are a lot of things that you need to think before starting your survey, like topic you are going to have, the type of questions, and your target audience. Here are some tips that you can consider before creating your first survey. So number 1, there must be an introduction. So in this part, you will need to have a brief but clear overview of what is the survey all about. Giving objectives or purpose can also be put here. Another thing is, where will the data be used? And will the responses be kept confidential? So ngayon, we must abide the Data Privacy Act of 2012 at dapat lahat ng data na kukunin natin ay it must be kept confidential. Kasi kung hindi, mababiolate natin yung Data Privacy Act of 2012. So be careful lang, no? siguraduhin natin na hindi lalabas sa publiko kung ano man yung kinuha nating datos. Kasi dapat yan ay confidential. Like our password. Tayo lang dapat yung nakakaalam. Hindi mo pwedeng i-chika, ay, ito yung sagot ni ganito sa survey. No, that's very wrong. It's unethical. Number 2, designing your template. Designing your survey form is also another thing you need to think. It should be attractive, simple, and easy to read. Use appropriate colors, font size, and arrangement of the parts of the survey so that the respondent can easily move from one part to another in a logical manner. Avoid unnecessary images or sections. So kung hindi naman kinakailangan na sobrang sophisticated yung survey, then huwag niyo nang gawin. Mas maganda nga yung simple lang, yung nababasa, at the same time, mas clear. Ano ba yung objectives? Ano ba yung mga dapat sagutan? Kasi kung hindi, baka hindi na nila sagutan yan. So, make it simple and attractive. Attractive na in a way na hindi naman siya masyadong makulay, hindi masakit sa mata. Yung tama lang. Parang ganito, yung ginawa kong itong presentation. So, simple lang, pero nababasa. Diba? Number 3, keep your instructions plain and simple. Dapat direct to the point. Huwag ka na magpaligoy-ligoy kung ano ba yung gusto mong sabihin. Diretsuhin mo na. Okay? And number 4, pilot test your survey. Bakit? Kasi kung hindi mo ipapilot test yan, baka mamaya may errors pala dun sa ginawa mong form. Tapos, nakapagsagot ng respondent, saka mo lang nakita. So before giving the final links to the respondents or to your audiences, better yet to have it pilot test first para makita mo kung ano yung glitches. Since automated yan, expect some glitches. So lahat tayo nakaka-encounter ng errors. So it's natural and that is okay. That is why you have to conduct pilot testing. So number 5, statement in appreciation. You can include and customize a thank you to the respondents that answered your survey. Of course, naglaan sila ng oras para sagutan yung survey. Then siguro hindi naman makakabawas sa'yo kung maglalagay ka lang ng a simple thank you. Thank you for answering my survey and thank you for giving your time in answering the survey. That would be enough. Para naman hindi masyadong, ay, sinagutan ko na nga yung survey, ni wala man lang thank you. So, mas maganda na mag-thank you tayo. It's a courtesy and a good deed na rin. Kasi kung uulit ka tapos wala man lang thank you sa una, baka hindi na sila sumagot. So, dapat magpasalamat. And number 6, when you are all set, it is now time to post your survey form. Kapag naayos mo na lahat, na pilot test mo na, everything is good, and that's it. Pwede mo nang i-post yung survey form mo, pwede mo nang i-send sa maramihan. Kasi alam mo na, confident ka na wala ng mali at glitches. So, ganun lang. Those are the things to remember when creating a survey. Let us proceed on the checking your understanding. So, direction, create an online survey by following the instructions below. Go back to the first lesson that you had about products. From there, create a survey that focuses on the product you have to sell, you have sell, or will sell later. So your survey should be either be a feedback from the customers that bought your product or a collection of products they may want you to sell in the future. So yung survey mo, pwedeng ito maglaman ng rating. Ito yung tinatawag na customer feedback. Like for example, bumili ka ng produkto. Paano mo i-rate? So give me 5 stars kung outstanding ba, talagang nasarapan ka, nagustuhan mo ba yung produktong binigay ko? Or give me 1 star kung talagang not worth the money yung binili. So that's how you conduct a survey kung kukuha ka ng customer feedback. Kasi syempre, kung bago ka pa lang sa industriya ng business, dapat alam mo, nagustuhan kaya ng mga customer ko. And creating an online survey is one way to check kung nagustuhan ba ng mga customers mo yung produktong binebenta mo or yung service na binebenta mo, na ginawa mo para sa kanila. So a rubric is included for you to know the elements of what your survey should have before sending out to your target audience. So ito yung sample survey, rubrics na pwede niyong gamitin. Here are the criteria: formulating survey question, formulating response choices, survey, ito yung habang kinoconduct nyo na, and creating tally chart. And last criteria is creating a graph of result. So, i-rate lang kayo, 4 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. So, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Please screenshot this one for your future reference. And that ends our module 5. So now you have to take the post test, which is also the quiz number 5. You may access that by scanning the QR code or clicking the link of the quiz in the description below. So if you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to comment down below. Kids, I will appreciate kung magko-comment kayo dyan. So, ito parang magsu-survey na rin ako, no? Kung talagang tinapos nyo tong video na to at umabot kayo dito sa point na to, comment nga kayo. Give me 5 stars kung naintindihan nyo itong video lesson natin. Kung hindi, give me 1 star. Please be honest. So, that ends our module 5. I'll see you again in my next vid. Stay safe and God bless everyone. Bye!